Okay, so in the previous clip I mentioned how I'm going to be showing you how you can create a very simple presentation style video course using Canva. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this content from a course. Sorry, it's an ebook that I haven't even finished yet, so if it doesn't make sense, don't worry about it. I haven't finished it yet. So now I'm going to copy and paste this whole thing, and I'm going to go into Canva. I'm going to click doc. This will all make sense in a minute. Pages, and then I'm going to copy and paste this whole thing. And then I'm going to click convert, and then I'll click get started, creating a presentation. And then you can pick any of these styles and you can change everything that you want to change. This is one of the styles that I've used, and I've used this one before, and I've used this one before. Haven't used the rest of them. Actually, I've used this one once as well. So I'm just going to pick any of them. I'm going to pick this one, and then I'm going to click. Obviously, you need to make sure everything looks good in terms of the written content. Make sure it makes sense. Make sure it's not all kind of weird, because sometimes it does. It kind of creates this sort of weird formatting. But if it does, then all you need to do is bear with me. All you need to do is you click create presentation, and then it will go into presentation mode here, where you can edit all of this stuff. So if you feel like some of the formatting is wrong, if you feel like some of the text is not written properly, then you go back and you just do whatever you want to do. You can also add images if you want to add images. So you would just go here and you would add your photos from the Canva stock images if you want, and you could just drag them over to where you want it to be, or you can just add images from your own uploads. So if you have images from your own uploads, you can take them from there, or you can upload files and add them in there. Okay, and this is where you can just record yourself and embed the video here if you feel like you want to do that. I usually do this. I click present. So I want to make sure I'm actually at the beginning of my piece. So I click present, and then I click present and record, and then I click next, and then I click go to recording studio, and then I click, and so this is just my face. I hope there's not going to be any feedback. So then I would click start. Okay, so I've ended the recording, and then you can, once you've ended the recording, then you can either save and exit it, or you can just download the entire thing and edit it with whatever editing software you prefer to use, or you can edit it within Canva if you like. I don't usually edit it in Canva. I was doing that at one point, but now I've just been edited it in iMovie on my iPad or on my MacBook. So then when you download it, you have the file available to use. So obviously you would be creating your course in segments, in different segments, in different modules. And so you would create one, and then you just keep doing that, and then put, you can put them all together if you want to put them all together, or just have them as separate files. So that's that. That's a very simple way of building your content for a course or anything like that.